Hello friends, here is today's Dinar news. First, the news from dinarguru.com. On February 25, 2025, newshound guru Claire reported that the 2025 budget tables have finally made their way to the Council of Ministers after what has been described as a difficult labor. The Ministry of Finance will finalize these tables and submit them for a vote in mid-March. Once approved, they will then move to the House of Representatives for further voting. In another report, Intel guru Frank 26 discussed a new population census being implemented, which addresses prior issues with Article 140 regarding equitable distribution. This new census is seen as crucial before the introduction of a new exchange rate. Intel guru Mark Z highlighted Iraq's commitment to OPEC as they prepare to restart oil exports from Kurdistan with an anticipated output of 400,000 barrels per day as they inspect the revitalized pipeline. Newshound guru Militiaman pointed out an urgent call for radical reform, warning of a looming financial crisis. He stated that restoring the exchange rate could directly influence the value of the dinar, especially given the current economic situation and the need for market confidence. According to newshound guru Samson, the Kurdistan government noted that completing the population census has removed significant psychological barriers. An Iraqi minister of planning assured that the census data will ensure fair resource distribution. Further updates from Claire revealed that the Ministry of Planning announced the final census results, which indicated a population increase to over 39 million, compared to the 1957 census figures. Frank 26 also reported on the ground in Iraq, stating that a deal has been reached with Baghdad to resume oil flow to Turkey, marking an end to previous disputes and ensuring a gradual return of oil to international markets. Fenulinu brought in news from Al Rafadain Bank, stating that they are issuing national bonds worth IQD 2 trillion, with sales commencing and running until March 10, 2025. Mark Z shared exciting news about a proposed security agreement with the U.S., emphasizing Iraq's desire to strengthen its sovereignty and independence in the region. Claire also covered Iraq's shift towards diversifying its economy, focusing on the localization of precious metals and other non-oil sectors to create new income avenues. Militiaman noted that Iraq's progress involves digital advancements and infrastructure projects, suggesting a bright future for its economy as it shifts away from an oil-dependent model. Lastly, Mark Z reaffirmed that Iraq is redrawing its economic landscape and tapping into its vast reserves of precious metals, signaling that the nation has much more potential than under past administrations. And that's the news from dinarguru.com. And now here is the news from dinarrecaps.com. Today's top story discusses the ongoing developments in the international economic landscape, particularly focusing on currency exchange rates and investment opportunities. Analysts have noted a significant shift in market dynamics, with several currencies experiencing notable fluctuations. Experts recommend careful monitoring of these changes and suggest strategies for investors to navigate this evolving environment. In addition, the news highlights a recent government initiative aimed at boosting economic stability through various fiscal measures. This initiative is expected to attract foreign investment and stimulate local market growth. As always, our team will continue to provide timely updates on these crucial developments. Thank you for joining us today. Stay informed and have a wonderful day ahead.